Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about 5 ways to make money online as a student. So if you're a student and you're thinking of extra ways you can put some money into your bank account, then make sure to watch this video to the end. Try not to skip anything because along the line I'm going to be dropping some very important information that you will need. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to my channel. On this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you generate money for yourself and grow your business. My name is Awajiimam Isioto. Okay, so kindly do me a favor before we get into the video. Kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing, and making sure to turn on your notification bell. When you do that, it means that you actually support what we are doing on this channel, and it helps you to see more of my content whenever I put out new content. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 5 ways to make money online as a student. So my number 1 is graphic design. If you have a skill in graphic design, you can actually create logos, social media graphics, and even marketing materials for business owners on platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, like 99 Designs, and many others. You can connect with business owners and create designs for them. Platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, like 99 Designs allows you to connect with business owners and do jobs for them and get paid as a graphic designer. This is something you can do as a student even with your smartphone. That's number 1. Number 2 is content creation. If you have your smartphone, if you have your data connection, as a content creator you can share your expertise, you can share your knowledge, you can share your hobbies, your interests through platforms like YouTube, like Instagram, like TikTok. And this is a very good way for you to make money for yourself. You don't need a CV, you don't need to be an expert to share content online. All you need to do is to share something that is valuable, something that people want to learn, something that is entertaining, and you start making money for yourself. Once you grow some good number of following, you can make money through revenue, through ad revenue, through brand collaboration. That is when people come to you and say, okay, do a shout out for us or talk about our business. And you can even make money from sponsorships. So this is a very good way for you to make money as a student if you know what you are doing. So that's number 2, content creation. Number 3 is drop shipping. Drop shipping. You can set up an online store and sell products without holding inventory. What this means is that you don't have to keep physical products. You don't have to have the product with you. You can connect the buyer to the seller and make sure that there's a smooth transaction. All right, you don't even need to have a website. You don't need to create an online store. You can do this with your smartphone and with data. All right, so this is a very good way to make money for yourself. You can start with selling used items. Okay, find somebody that has used items that they want to dispose, they want to sell, and then you connect somebody who wants that product to the seller, and boom, you collect your money, you transact the business. Are you getting it now? So this is number 3. Number 4 is selling digital products. This is something I do very well. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, like templates, like courses, like music, like whatever, as long as it is something that offers value to people. If you're a teacher, if you're somebody that bakes cake, as long as you have the knowledge, there are millions of people that are looking for that thing you know on the internet. So as a student, you can actually make money from this selling digital products. Are you getting now? This is a great way to make passive income with low upfront cost, meaning that you don't need too much of capital to get into this business. In fact, with or without capital, you can start selling digital products online. If you want to learn how this works, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, okay? Or check the link in the description. I'll drop links to all the details that you need to learn any of these things, whether it is digital product creation, whether it is graphics, whether it is drop shipping or any other thing. That is number 4. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. I'm sure you must have heard about affiliate marketing several times. I'm sure you must have heard about it. So some people think affiliate marketing is a scam. Some think it's about referring this and referring that and referring that. No. The business of affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products or programs. Then you earn a commission when somebody purchases through your referral link. This is a smooth business model that can make you money as a student. This is ideal if you have blogs, if you have websites or social media following. But the interesting thing is, you don't need a blog to make money from this system. You don't even need a website to make money from this system. You don't need a large or a huge following to make money from this system. All you need is your smartphone, your data, and the willingness to implement. Are you getting now? So this is a business that can make a lot of money for you. If you look at your screen right now, you will see a screenshot. This screenshot that you see is a screenshot of money I made from this affiliate marketing business model. So if you want to learn how this works, you really want to somebody that can hold your hand and show you how this works, there is a video that explains the business model, everything you need to know about the business before starting. So if you want to get that, go to the link in the description. Check the link in the description. I'll drop links to all the details that you need to start this business. So if you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.